Okay, so first we're gonna start off with my night routine. So at night, I like to get my face all the way together after I get out of the shower. So I'm taking these little scrunchies, these little velvet scrunchies. I got this trick from I Love Sarai or Karen here on YouTube and on IG or whatever, and she uses scrunchies so that the water doesn't flow down her arms. I stole these from my sisters, but you can get them off Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box below for y'all. So first, I start with washing my face. I'm using the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. This is a daily foaming wash. I got this in a little trial kit, 7-day trial kit, and I really like the cleanser and the treatment that I'm about to show you guys. So I went ahead and bought the full size of the cleanser, not the treatment. But basically I used this for 7 days to kind of clear up some dark spots on my face, and it worked really good. As you can see, I had a little pimple right there, probably from stress or whatever, but that's always a problem area for me. So I'm going ahead, washing my face and getting it all together, and then I'm going to use the treatment. So the treatment is an intensive exfoliating treatment. They got it called like Hollywood's 2-minute facial up there. I don't know what that's about, but it is a really strong treatment. You can feel the chemical exfoliant in it, and you can also feel like the physical little beads in it. It's just a really good exfoliator, and like I said, I really liked my results. So I went ahead and bought the full size of the face wash, and then this is not the full size of the treatment. This is more of like a mini size of the treatment, but I really liked it because I was trying to get my skin together for the summertime to see if this would be a good product for me. But this is the area that I was talking about that's just a problem for me. I got my little pimple right there. It's always up like on my like cheekbone area. And then of course I got that going on there on my chin or whatever. And then also my forehead area is also like a struggle area for me. So I try to use something to clear up these dark spots to get them to go away, because when people see my face, they're like, oh, you got good clear skin. But I'm like, yeah, but are you looking at it from the side? Because it's too much for me. So I do what I can to try to get this clear skin for the summer skin popping, so we can look cute without sweating all the time with makeup, sweating all down our face. We want to look cute, you know, without the makeup. So I dry my face off, and because this is a really strong exfoliant, like I said, it does kind of irritate my face a little bit. As you can see, it's more closer to my eye area, where those areas are more sensitive, a little bit around my mouth, where it's just really kind of strong. So I put a mask on, and you know, you gotta use a mask anyway. So I'm using the Hydroclay Detox Mask. This is a hydrating mask from the Nurture line from OLEHENRIKSEN. I really love the Nurture line from OLEHENRIKSEN. Like, it's really my favorite thing. So I'm just using this mask to calm my skin back down. And like I said, I really like this line. Like the face wash from this line, the moisturizer, everything is just bomb. But calming my face down. Another mask that I like to use to calm my face down is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. And you can leave this one on overnight. So I really like that one too, because it gives me, you know, some extra hydration. So I go ahead, rinse my mask off. And after I rinse my mask off, I pat my face down, because now we need to get to moisturizing. So for moisturizing my face, I have this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream as long. To be honest, I'm not buying it again. Because it's expensive, and I can just put on a regular moisturizer at night. Like, I don't need a specific cream. For my eyes, I'm using this for a brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid. So I'm gonna use that, and I put it all over my eyeballs. And then for my lips, I'm gonna put on this Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask, because it's really good. I don't know about it as a mask, but in general, like for your lips, it's really bomb. So like to use that, and then that's it for my nighttime routine. I do my little Birdman hand rub, and then pat my skin, and I go to bed. In the morning, for my morning routine, I put my little velvet scrunchies on again. Remember, everything's gonna be in the description box below for you guys. And I get to washing my face. So I do wash my face again in the morning. To be honest, I used to not wash my face in the morning. I used to just rinse it and then go in with my moisturizers and stuff. But I just started washing my face in the morning, trying to see if it make a big difference. It hasn't, but you know, I feel cleaner doing it. So I do that now. You can see the pimples from last night, a little bit smaller. They've moved on a little bit further, like they want to go away, but I mean, I'm still struggling with them. So I get into toning. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner from Fresh. I'm not buying this again. I need to stop buying stuff from YouTubers that have like hella money because this was expensive. And to be honest, for a toner, I'm not buying anything over $20 unless it's the dark spot toner from OLEHENRIKSEN. I'm not buying another one for more than $20. So getting to my eye cream, I'm using the Glam Glow Bright Eyes eye cream. And I'm just gonna put this on my eyeballs. I put my eye cream all over my eyes, by the way, not just under it. Like I rub it all over my whole eyelid. Like I don't know if people do that, but I do. For moisturizing, I'm using this Hungarian water essence from Belief. This is just like a lightweight serum because you know you gotta throw a serum into your skincare routine. So put that serum in there and it really just plumps up my skin and makes me look awake. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration from First Aid Beauty. 5 out of 10 would not recommend. Would recommend, I guess. 5 out of 10 would recommend. It's just lotiony, and I don't like a lotiony face moisturizer. I want something like the Belief one. For the final step, I put on a face oil. This is my final step in moisturizing. I was using that Farsali Rose Gold one because I got it in a package, but this Fresh Sea Berry moisturizing face oil is bomb, you guys. Like, I don't think I ever had anything like it before. This is good for everything. I put this in my hair. I've put this on my lips. It's transformed my lips. Like, that's just a really good oil if y'all looking for one. And then I put on some lip balm. So I got this one from my friend's daughter's little routine. Not her routine, her little business. Support Black businesses. Support young entrepreneurs. So that's what I'm doing. I'll put the link, like I said, down in the description box for that as well. But that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. I do my little thing. I practice my little eye rolls, and then I go to work. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.